Welcome to this guided meditation for balancing your chakra. Find a comfortable seated position, maybe cross-legged, maybe on a chair, or even lying down on your back in your shavasana. Plant your palms on your laps or by your side facing up. Begin to relax your body. Draw your awareness into your breath. Centering your mind. Focus on here and now. Gradually, bring your intention to attention to the base of your spine, your root chakra. Visual the color red, circling and glowing, connecting to your essence. Feel safe, supported, rooting. Rising up to your solar plexus, your upper navel. And here, a yellow color comes to your mental landscape. Feel powerful, feel responsible. You are the creator of your life. Now, come to your heart. Invite the color green into your heart space. The vibrating green representing compassion for yourself and the world. You are able to give and receive love beyond you'd imagine. Moving to your throat now. Visual the color blue covering your throat area. Your expression to the world. You have the voice to tell the world that you stand for life. Then focus on the space in between your eyebrows. Opening your third eye. Draw a color of indigo. Here, your spiritual guide, which is who you are in essence, takes over to journey wherever you need it to, for evolution of consciousness. Lastly, let's bring your awareness to the crown of your head to complete an absorption of your entire being. You are divine. You are the light for yourself and the world. Slowly, deepen your breath. Gently, open your eyes. Feel fresh and reset. Thank you for practicing. I'm Chloe. Namaste.